All right, guys, we're gonna take care of this tree today. Thorn in my side ever since I started working in this orchard. This is our one and only nectarine tree. Come to find out, nectarine trees are probably the most difficult to manage and take care of. So every single season, and we're talking about 3 different seasons now, no sooner it sets on a ton of fruit, looking great, looking good. I've done all the things. Within a week, they all turn brown and they've got brown rot. So I'm still working on the spray schedule. I've just got to be really diligent about how I handle that spray schedule, making sure to capture every moment when it's critical. So that'll be a goal this year. But the real question is, can I turn this tree around? So today I come out to spray dormant oil, and sure enough, I'm really looking over the tree and I realize it has been taken over by some sort of bug. So you can see right here, you've got some very defined holes, likely something living in there. So we've come on down, the bark is starting to split and it actually goes full on down the tree. So this might be the year that this tree is coming out of here. Between all of the fungal issues, the brown rot, the bugs obviously now living in the tree, I'm about done with it. So we'll keep working on it. I'll keep tending to it. But I have a feeling come July, if it has not turned itself around, this one will be coming out. But what we're going to do today is spray dormant oil. The purpose of dormant oil is to make sure that nothing gets to overwinter in your tree, just like this. So the oil will set on there and it will literally smother out the insect, smother out any eggs that there are. And hopefully the goal is they'll all die and the tree will turn itself around and repair this with new bark. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I've got a mixture of just straight dormant oil with water today, nothing too special, just looking to smother out these bugs.